Hey chickens, you staying warm? Not really, I guess. It's a little chilly today. Um, got a little snow, as you can see on the floor over there. Coop's not real airtight, but it's better than nothing. It's not too breezy in here. Um, we've had a bit of a weather change in the last 24 hours. It was 40 when I got home from work yesterday afternoon. It was minus 12 when I got up this morning. We're all the way back up to minus 8 with a roughly 35 below wind chill. It's a little chilly outside, so not a ton of snow, but it's dry snow, and with the wind it doesn't really matter how much you got, it's just blowing around. So anyway, hope everybody stays safe, stay warm, and have a Merry Christmas, guys.